Hi viewers, if anybody are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And one good news for you all, if anybody want to get certificate from a top brand like Indian Shala, then it is best chance to get the online trainings. It is the best opportunity for you all. Don't miss this opportunity. And if you use my link, you will get 65% discount. So hurry up. There is a limited time, only 16 hours left. So let's start our video. Okay. In this video, I will show what are the trainings, online trainings they are providing and how much discount you will get by using my link. Okay, I will show in detail for you. If you are so much interested to get certificate as usual, you want any materials or any guides, and if you have any doubts, you can ask in that doubt sections also. What are the online trainings they are offering means like programming with Python, web development. If anybody are from the CSC background, it is like a best opportunity for you all. If you are thinking to utilize this lockdown, if you are thinking to get any certificate before your college reopens, it's like a big opportunity like you for you. So and web development, and I will show in detail about you what you will learn in this course and what you will get after completion of this course and how many weeks or the duration of the course. I will explain in detail about these. And ethical hacking, digital marketing, if somebody are interested in digital marketing or somebody are interested in web developments, it's the best opportunity. And somebody will interested in, if anybody are interested in data science, let's utilize this opportunity. If anybody use my link, definitely you will get 65% discount. Only this opportunity will be only for limited seats only. Don't miss this opportunity. Okay, if anybody are interested to develop an Android app, like I want to develop Android app, and if you will develop any Android app, if you will keep it on resume, then your resume will looks like different, like all the people will get amazing for your knowledge also. If you want to develop any Android app, then it's the best platform to create, to utilize that or to learn. And creative learning, French language, if anybody are interested to learn new languages, then it's a good the best opportunity for you. Then machine learning, graphic design and photography, programming with C and C++. If anybody are first years in the BTech, if anybody are BTech first years, are you thinking to learn C language or C++? It is very hard to learn in your college. Best opportunity to utilize this. If you learn this in this platform, you'll get certificate. You'll keep it not on your resume. Then it's like good. And if you have any doubts regarding the sections or anything, you can feel free to learn. You can feel free to ask anything in the doubt sections. They definitely clarify your. Otherwise, you can keep mail for them. It's best opportunity for you. And you can see here Internet of Things. If you are creating, if you are doing any online trainings on this, you can make it as a project also. You can make it as a project and you can make it as a document for that. Then from first year only you are preparing for the fourth year. How the thing will be? If you are preparing for the fourth year project, then you can make more and more new projects and you can choose one of them. Okay, if you are thinking to utilize, then definitely you can utilize. After when you are in the fourth year, don't like searching what project I need to do, what project I don't need to do. Don't think like that. Internet of Things, Android app development and web development, you can do all these. It's like a good thing for you. Yes, right? And if anybody want to do as MS Excel and SolidWorks, we can do it. Nowadays advanced Excel has been using many more companies. If you learn these and if you keep it on certificate, definitely it will be useful for you. And then Java, it's like a big opportunity for you. And beginners trading certificates and like a business communicational skills, if anybody are weak in communicational skills, definitely utilize this opportunity. Auto, if anybody are from non-core non-circuit branches like mechanical, civil, then this will be the best platform for you too. Like AutoCAD, it means they will provide for you 2D and 3D models in AutoCAD and StatPro also. And then UX or UI designings like master topography and master like that specializations we offer. You can specializations, introduction to machine learning, advanced machine learning, and you can see it's the best thing. If you are want to learn this, you can do. And I will show in detail about what are the things you need to learn. You will learn here. Okay, for example, if you want to learn like web development, you have to click on know more. After clicking on know more, you can see here certified by online training, learn web development, learn full stack HTML. Because if you want to create any webs or websites or web pages, you need to know, because of if you want to develop, it will use it is based upon the coding. So without the coding you can't develop, but some of the websites can develop without the coding, but it is apart from all that. If you want to develop an web, you want to know HTML, CSS, MySQL and PHP development, you want to know all these. So if you purchase this online training, if you prepare for this online training, definitely it will be like amazing thoughts for you all. So don't miss this opportunity. You can see here, and you can give your mobile number, first name, passwords, or your, before going to purchase this training you need to register. I have done a video on that. If anybody want to register for that, you can feel free to register for that. If you have any doubts regarding this video or before any videos, please comment me in the comment box. Definitely I will try to solve your doubts, and I will make another video for you all. And you can see here, learn from home only, 92 video tutorials, learn anytime, anywhere, and 3 assignments and 1 project. You are done. You are doing your project in first year only, or second year only, third year only. It's like a good thing for you all. Doubt clearing, beginner friendly, 6 weeks access, downloadable content, placement assistant, certificate of training. You'll get certificate. You will have, you are doing in first year only, you are doing project. These are the benefits you will get for only one online training. So friends, don't miss this opportunity. Utilize this, because I am saying for you, if you use my code, you will get 65% of discount. And how you will get certificate, I will give the demo for you. This is the certificate, how you will get. See here, you will get your name and how you have, then free placement preparation training and access to curated internships. Top performance will be highlighted on the internship applications on Internshala. Why you need to learn web development means build awesome websites and keep it on resume, and be unique from all other resume people or all other job searching people. Be in demand, eat, sleep, code, repeat. How will your training work? Watch the videos to learn various concepts, test your knowledge through quizzes and model tests, get hands-on practice by doing assignments and project, take a final exam to get certified in web development. What will be the training syllabus? Want to know in detail about training syllabus? I will make a video on I will make another video for that, because the length of the video will be too large. So if you'll get more disappointed if I will do length of the videos, because if I will do length of the videos, it will not like a, I am testing your patience. So I will detail explain about you all this and what are the topics and how you will get another reviews about all that. So don't miss my videos, and if anybody are interested, use my code and get 65% of discount. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe.